Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I'm back in the building with Eullair hair. Super excited because we do have ourselves some colored hair, okay? Pre-colored hair. All right, look at how beautiful this is. This is straight out the package, okay? Okay, I am completely here for it. Body wave on fleek, okay? Nobody says that anymore. But anyway, y'all, this is just the overall construction of the unit. Alright, jumping into the video, the hair has been washed, conditioned, blow dried, and straightened, and I did do some plucking with this unit. But look how beautiful and vibrant this wig still is after I washed it. Are y'all guys seeing what I'm saying? Are y'all seeing what I'm saying? Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and put it on our head and fix up this part. I just wanted to give you guys like full length of action, 28 inches of goodness. As y'all can see, I'm wearing my white shirt, so if y'all see something, let me know, because I don't see nothing. The hair is not bleeding. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and fix this part. I love using this comb to fix the part. It gets it super crisp and super straight. And yeah, as you guys can see underneath the lace, I've also added some lace tint. Yeah, with laces like this, it's a must. Of course, I can't just slap that on my head like that. So I did add some lace tint to make it, have that melt skin like. And look how it's melting. I'm cutting off the lace, and look how that is just melting right into my forehead. Alright, y'all, so now we getting into securing her down. Y'all already know the get-go with the get-go. We got our good old handy dandy got to be glue. That's what we're gonna use to secure her down. But yeah, we're just gonna let that get tacky. After it gets tacky, we're just gonna pull it down and repeat. That is pretty much my installation process. It's very, very simple. I always have my dryer on a cool heating setting because I don't want to get like that crusty, white, ashy type of vibe. So we're gonna continue to do this all around my head. Alright, so now we're complete. Y'all already know I'm going in with my Morphe Brontour shade. I'm just gonna, fill it in, make it look more scalp-like, and then we're gonna place our scarf on and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, we're gonna take it off. This is what she's giving, okay? This is that ultimate meltdown, okay? Meltdown. Okay, so now we're just going in with our wax stick. I'm gonna go ahead and add some, what are we doing? Heat to the top portion of the unit. As you guys can see, I don't know if I mentioned it already, but I did do some plucking, and I think I did a dang good job. Okay, so y'all, this wig is super pretty. Definitely giving me summer vibes. Y'all know we pop out with all the colorful wigs in the summer. We got to show up and show out. But anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and put some concealer in our part to make sure, you know, she's popping. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out some baby hairs. Y'all already know what the deal is with the baby hairs. I was trying a new technique, so I wouldn't gather too much hair. So what I was doing is just pulling them out, and then it was like every other strand I was just pulling it back. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna do it here. Look, I take that piece and I'm gonna pull it up. You see that? And then I'm gonna continue to do that all the way around. Pull that back up too. See? You see how I got space? This helps me control the thickness of my baby hairs. I know you can just pluck it out, but why pluck it when you don't have to? You can save that hairline. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut at an angle. We're gonna cut at an angle, and then we're gonna do our swoop-de-doops. Now, when I'm trying to be like super extra with my baby hairs, y'all, it takes me a good minute to get them down. So I am going in with the hair. I think it's baby hair goo, like I normally do. And we're just gonna go ahead and swoop these. All right, so I picked up the Ion Triple Barrel Waver from Sally's, y'all. Y'all was too busy looking at this hair. This hair looks so good. But anyway, I picked up this a couple of months ago, just now getting around to trying it. So, y'all, I would definitely recommend this type of, what I was about to say, waver. Is it, what do you call, or y'all, I don't even know the name of the iron. I think it's a waver, but it's a name for it. But y'all, my brain is not thinking of what you call these, like what we call them. Crimps. Okay, crimps, y'all, crimps. I could not think of the word for nothing. Anyway, this helped my crimps come to life. Like, look how beautiful they are. If you guys have not checked out this waver or a crimper, you definitely need to buy this because it is the ish. Now, I did turn my, I don't know what degrees it go up to, 430, 450. I'm not 100% sure, but I did have mine on 410 because I know with colored hair, you know, the higher the heat, you can kind of fade the color. So yeah, let's just get into this. Okay, let's just get into the overall review of this unit. So overall, y'all, like I said, as soon as I got the hair, I decided to wash it. I always do that with pre-colored hair because I just feel like, you know, it's gonna bleed just a little bit. And I did get a little bit bleeding, so I did go ahead and wash the hair. Now, after I dried it, as you guys can see, it did not lose any color. Like, if you go to the clip where I showed you guys what it looked like straight out the pack, and if you come to here, you will see that says, even though I washed it, conditioned it, blow dried and straightened it, it still had that vibrant color. Y'all also see that I do have a white shirt on. I always do this with pre-colored hair because I want to give it to you real and raw. I have white nails as well, and you guys don't see that that's blue, do y'all? No, they still white, and it's on period. So love Eullair hair for that, because sis, they did it. They did the dang thing. I haven't had pre-colored hair in a minute when it comes to like vibrant color, so definitely here for the color. It's bold. I love y'all know I'm here for ombre. I have to have my roots black 1B when I am doing color, because I just feel like it's a safe zone, and you could really get away with rocking any color when you have your roots dark black, and I just love it. Okay, or jet black. I love the ombre. It's not doing too much. It's not a harsh blunt line. As you guys can see, everything was flowing nice and neat. As far as the shedding, minimum. Tangling, minimum as well. I only got a few snags here and there when I first detangled for the first time, taking it out of the package, but otherwise in that, sis, it didn't give me any type of problem at all. This is some bomb.com hair, and when I tell you Eullair did their thing when it comes down to this specific unit, they did just that. Look how beautiful these crimps are, y'all. I'm telling you, I never crimped like this in my life. Look how pretty it is. Look, now I did miss a piece back there. I'm gonna go back and get that, but y'all, this hair came out freaking fire. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. like it, subscribe, do all that good stuff. So yeah, all the information in regards to this hair, coupon codes, all that good stuff will be in the description section below. Don't forget to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.